Once a year, try a trick I learned from a plumber to keep your shower in top shape for many years. Begin by unscrewing the shower hose from the shower head. You'll likely see limescale and sludge inside. Now, grab a regular kitchen sponge. This will be your secret tool. Cut off a thin piece, removing the rough side and trimming the edges to make it as thin as possible. Place the sponge in a small bowl and pour vinegar over it to soak for a few seconds. Vinegar's natural descaling properties make it perfect for this task. Next, insert the soaked sponge into the shower hose. You can use a straw to help push it all the way in. The water pressure will push the sponge through, flushing out the built-up limescale and dirt. This simple sponge trick will thoroughly clean your hose. For the shower head, you can remove any mold or limescale by adding a tablespoon of baking soda inside, followed by a little vinegar. Place the shower head in a sealed bag, adding a cup of vinegar. Secure the bag so the shower head is fully submerged. The reaction will help break down the limescale. Let it sit for 30 minutes. You'll see floating limescale bits inside. Afterward, reattach the shower head and run the water to flush out any remaining dirt. This method will deep clean your shower, prevent quick limescale buildup, and extend the life of your shower.